Hello, my name is Monse and this is SOYOGA. And today we are going to talk about alternate nose breathing. Is a pranayama or breathing technique. It's called Nadi Shodhana or Anuloma Viloma. It's got these two different names depending on which tradition of yoga you follow. And in English, it's translated as alternate nose breathing because we breathe alternating different nostrils, either right or left. And there's different ways to do this technique, and there is many variations and different counts of breath as well. But today we're going to just focus on the basic and on the hands. Because we use a mudra. There's two different mudras. Mudra would be a gesture, usually referred to hand gestures, but they're also body mudras. So the mudra for the alternate nose breathing is, I'm going to show you two today. So Vishnu mudra, which is both fingers, the index finger and the middle finger go in. Your thumb is always the right hand as well. So your right thumb will be closing the right nostril, and then your ring finger will be closing the left nostril. And we will be alternating, depending on which nostril we need open to breathe in or to breathe out, between the thumb and the ring finger. Thumb and ring finger, okay? The other version of this would be then with these two fingers, the ones that we had tucked in, out and placed between this point called also the third eye or the Ajna chakra, or this little point in between your eyebrows. Okay, so you could place the fingers there, and still same applies, thumb and ring finger. So you have your fingers here, just as a light pressure. It's not like you're not drilling, just like placing your fingers there and then alternating between pressing with the thumb to breathe in or breathe out and pressing with the ring finger. So you're just making this little movement. Okay, so I'd say just try both, see which one suits you best, which ones do you prefer. Personally, I've learned this one first, and this is the one that I keep on going to. I find it easy on my fingers. But sometimes I have to say that the other one, when you have the fingers just lightly touching between your eyebrows, it helps me to go inward. It helps me to focus a bit more. I don't know if there is any explanation for that. Probably not. But again, just try both and see what suits you. So that's the basics of the hand for alternate nose breathing, or Anuloma Viloma, or Nadi Shodhana. So we're gonna do a very gentle, simple practice, and I'm gonna guide you through it. So please just get into your mudra or your hand position, Vishnu mudra. If you're sitting on the floor, you can sit on a chair, you can sit on the floor, you can sit anywhere you like. The left hand then will have this other mudra, chin mudra, and be placed on your knee. Again, it's up to you. That's the traditional way. So one hand in chin mudra placed on your knee like this. I think you cannot see my knees there. And the other one in Vishnu mudra. So we're gonna start together. And the first whole round will consist of breathing in through the left and breathing out through the right, then breathing in through the right and breathing out through the left. And that's one round. Okay, so we always start with the left nostril. So close the right nostril with your thumb and breathe in through the left. Close the left nostril and open the right and breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Now close the right nostril, release the left, breathe out through the left. And that's one round. Breathe in through the left. Close the left nostril and release the right. Exhale right. Inhale right. Then close the right nostril, release the left, exhale. Round 2. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the left nostril, release the right, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right nostril, 2, 3, 4. Close right nostril and exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've done 3 rounds. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the left nostril. Exhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the right nostril. Exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 rounds. You're going to do 2 more on your own. You do the counting. Inhaling for 4. Exhaling for 4. When you finish, drop the hand, release, breathe normally through both nostrils. Breathe through the nose, inhaling and exhaling normally. You can close your eyes if you want. This was a very basic, and if you like to know more, or would you like to practice this breathing with me a bit more, let me know in the comments or send me a message, and I'm very happy to do more videos on this practice. I think is an amazing practice that immediately engages the parasympathetic nervous system. It really calms you down. It's very useful, and yes, I would love to tell you more about it. This was just a little taster, the basic hand position and the basic alternate nose breathing. Really, if you want to know more or you want to have a longer practice on different counts, let me know, and I'm very happy to do more videos like this. Thank you so much for being here with me, and thank you thank you so much for listening, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps a lot to keep the internet, to keep YouTube free videos out there. So there must be a round, a round thing there with me doing a yoga pose. If you press that, it'll take you to subscribe, or press the big red subscribe button. And also you can press the bell, so anytime I do a video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much.